So let's start with flushing the brake fluid in your BMW, any car actually. You can just go ahead and open up the panel where the brake fluid is and empty the container first. For that, I'm removing the plastic cover with a 13mm socket. Just turning it 90 degree. You can just take it out. Once you take out the panel, you can see the brake fluid container, the reservoir, and you can just open it up and remove the contaminated oil or the used oil. As you can see, it's dark black. The brake fluid is a transparent liquid and it should not turn this black. So what I can understand is that the fluid did not get any flush in recent time. It has run at least 200,000 kilometers. That's the reason it's really black. So we're gonna flush it out. You can either use a pump to flush it out, or you can use a hose and suck it out to a pipe. You don't need to necessarily have a suction pump for that. If you don't have one, just suck it out with a long hose so that when you suck it with your mouth, it doesn't come to your mouth. But it's better to have a suction pump like this because accidents might happen. You see that it's dark brownish, or if you take it in a container, it's like black itself. So usually we should not wait for the brake fluid to turn this black. This will damage your master cylinder. If you have seen my previous video repairing the master cylinder, you might have seen there are rubber seals in there. So too much contamination can cause problem to the whole system, the ABS system, everything. So we have emptied it. Now we're gonna take the filter out. Filter can be taken out with a flathead screwdriver. So this is a fluid. Around 250 ml has been taken out. This is a filter, so you have to use like a 3 or 4 flathead screwdriver to push it from all the 4 sides. You can see the groove there and pull it out. It's not necessary to take it out, you can just section it, then without removing the filter. Also you can do this flush. If you use the other way, you have to fill more oil in it so that you drain out the contaminated one. So once you suction it out, you have to completely fill it with new oil. This is a .4 brake fluid for BMW from Bosch. I have used like 3 containers of this, like half a liter each, so total 1.5 liter. So I will just fill it up till the top and start flushing it out from the from each wheel. So you can see that it's transparent fluid, and we have to bleed out until we get this transparent fluid out from each wheels. So we have to use a 11mm open wrench to do this task, and a water level hose or a transparent hose set so that you can see what color is the fluid coming out. This is the place that you need to loosen so that you can get the brake fluid out. This is the flushing nut. You can use a flathead to remove the rubber cap on it. If your car has over 10 years, there is a chance that the rubber cap might break or even powder it by itself because of the heat. Just pull it out, and here you can see the opening. So in this opening, you can insert a hose and drive it to a bottle so that it doesn't spill here and there. This is a normal hose that we get for water level from hardware shop. So car must be turned off while doing this procedure. You see, someone has to help you pump the brake and hold it. Only after holding you should open the draining nut. So the drain plug should not be loosened before keeping the brake pedal depressed. Just follow this procedure until you get a clean, transparent fluid from this particular drain plug. First, I'm doing the rear passenger side or the right side, because that is far away from the brake fluid container. Depending on your car's fluid container, you can change the location wherever you want to. I prefer to do the distant one first, then the closer one. So almost we got the transparent fluid out. You have to loosen only a little bit, like 30 degrees or 40 degrees, not more. And you don't have to tighten completely for doing this procedure. Only after completing the procedure, tighten it to its full torque. So you got the transparent fluid out, and I will show you how the fluid from the drain plug look like. So we have done with the rear one. We're gonna do the same procedure for all the other wheels. Once you do that, you have to check the brakes before you go for a drive. So just tighten it to its full torque, put the cap back, and we are done with one. And you see, this is from a single wheel, which was far away from the container. So once you do one wheel, just refill it, then only go for the other one. So repeat this procedure. I'm gonna show you how the front wheel drain plug looks like and where it is located. This is the place. The alignment is different, and from the front left side there is a sensor, so you have to use just remove the sensor wire from it. then only you can see the drain plug, just for your information. So repeat the procedure in all the wheels. Once you do that, fill it to the maximum level and you are good to go. Rest everything is vice versa. You just put the cap back after refilling it to the maximum level. I just installed the filter in. The max level has been reached. On both sides of the container there is max level. You can see in this side and from the other side as well. So that's it about the brake fluid fresh, and I'm just gonna put everything back and close it. Whenever you're feeling that your brake lever is just going down or getting depressed to its bottom position, whenever you brake or keep your brake pressed for a while, if it is going to the bottom, then you have to check your fluid. Make sure there is no air in the line. So for checking that, you need to do this procedure so that you drain out all the air from the line, and the fluid has to be renewed. So just try this. Hopefully this helps you guys. Please like and subscribe.